Hello, my name is B-Mart Garage, and today we are going to be looking at still Matchbox and Hot Wheels here. So it is still like metal, it's a die-cast. It's just not a car automobile today. It's sorry, I'm picking off some hair from the camera. I apologize. But so I figured, since I just do die-cast in general, I open up these, but it looks like I have to put this one together, the Airwolf helicopter here, metal on metal, and then I wonder if it says metal. It looks all metal. Very neat. Okay. I think we're gonna open up this Jurassic World one first, because I never really watched InGen Helicopter is what this is called. I never really watched Jurassic Park, so it doesn't really mean anything to me. So maybe if you guys are fans of this, I'll go ahead and open up this first, just so you guys have an idea what it is here. Sorry, I'm like really ruthless sometimes when it comes to my scissors. Just let things eat and do its job. I didn't mean to be all unfocused like that. I apologize. Too far up on the camera. Okay. Once we pull this thing out, eventually. Maybe. Okay. Oh, there's the ticket. Okay. So, now that I figured it out, let's not break the wings. Now that is pretty cool. Very, very neat. I like it. I like it a lot. I like the blue, actually. Okay. Made in Thailand. You know, it said it's metal, but that's definitely plastic. The underneath is definitely plastic. Although, I guess technically, this one didn't say metal and metal. I just kind of assumed it with this right here. Sorry, I guess that fingernail is dirty right there. Pick that out. Anyways. I guess this other one was the metal on metal claiming, right? Yeah, metal on metal. Okay. Well, we'll come back to that helicopter. Here. Pick that out of my nail real quick. I'll edit that part out or something. Okay. Other than that, I really like the color scheme. The paint job in quotations here. What is that on the bottom? An elephant? Yeah, it is. That's an elephant. Trying to look up inside here and see what like kind of cockpit we got going on, but it seems like it's really only giving me the option for giving me the option for some window and seat shots here. Okay, well, anyways, we will go ahead and move on to this Airwolf helicopter now. This is another Hot Wheels, but this is a premium pop culture. So in other words, it doesn't mean anything to me, because I'm gonna rip it and play with it. Ripping and playing. Okay. These helicopters are going to always fight me, I guess. Oh, okay. I got you now. I got you now. Oh, come on, there it is. Ooh, this one got some weight to it. Okay. This one is a lot heavier than that last one. I'm gonna set that down real quick because it came with this that we're gonna go ahead and plug in now. Maybe. Could that go deeper? I'd prefer it did, but for now, that shall be good enough. Okay. Here, let's get some spin on it. Oh. All in all, I feel like, I wonder if that green thing right there, yeah, that gotta be on purpose. A little bit of ugliness in the paint back here, but that's okay. Ooh, that's a little rough to spin. That's really rough to spin. Maybe the more I spin that, the better it'll get, possibly. I don't know. Maybe it's not really designed to like that. That spins pretty good. I feel like this spins better than the last one. Maybe it's just because the yellow like highlights it. Makes it look good. For comparison here. There we go. Couldn't hit it properly. Yeah, I think it's just that yellow. That yellow makes it look good. And honestly, there's more weight to it. Yeah. So you know what? I take it back. I think this propeller probably is a little bit better. I feel like there's more actual weight behind it. It just looks thicker too. Now, mind you, this is made out of plastic, just like the other one. And this is a 2-blade compared to a 3, but I do think that is sick. And then just for a quick bonus, real quick, this is something that I got a few weeks ago. Was this plane here? Some Matchbox. Oh. It's not gonna tell me. Cessna. I think that's what that is. Skyhawk. Cessna Skyhawk. The 172. A Matchbox. But we're starting to get ourselves a little bit of aerial arsenal. I got a helicopter, a sick plane, another helicopter that fell over. Oh dang, come on, helicopter. What? You're designed with wheels. It's not like, sorry, cat hair. It's not like I'm supposed to plug it onto anything. Okay, that hurts the coolness factor of that. I'm not gonna lie to you. I mean, the blades are still cool, but if it can't stand on its own, that's very lame. Okay, well, anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you did, please leave a like and a subscribe to the channel would be awesome. Thank you very much, and I hope you have a wonderful day.